So here, this is my Blogger website. I can activate for the Google Analytics option. The option purpose of, you can check the live traffic and the exact report. So first of all, I can copy the URL. Select option call is google.com/analytics. Analytics may name nothing but website checking for monthly traffic, daily traffic and live traffic. Select your analytics. Just each analytic account we can activate only for 100 websites. More than 100 we can't activate. So in this call, any website will activation purpose. Select your admin. In this, create your account. First add your website URL without HTTPS. Why it is the dollar will be there for HTTPS. Select your name with a blog. So you can understand, is a blogger or website? Is a blog, nothing but blogger. After that, select your industry. Industry nothing but, so which is related by healthcare. Why? My domain will be latest health news. After that, your reporting time zone. So your time zone report nothing but your reporting will be India time zone or US or UK, any specific country time zone. India plus 5:30. This all will be important. IST, specific time, this all will be changed. Suppose your website need by US timing, change your time. United States, that is called here the times. Most of the people using for any options. So I am using only for India. That is my timing. So any report will be generated by based on your country time zone. After that, get tracking ID. So when tracking ID generating for this is based on your terms and condition. Just accept terms and conditions. Click for I agree. Once click for I agree, is generating for one analytics ID, that is called tracking ID. So just load here. Tracking ID. Any website for static and dynamic, it will activate for analytics is a mandatory. Static, this code will adding for individual pages for static website. Dynamic, we adding for common file, common header or common body file. So any code will upload only for header file. So that is called any dynamic website will using for common header to activate Google Analytics. Just copy here. So I activate for my blogger. Blogger also same like dynamic. Common header will be there. All file will be common header. So see here. Go to blogger dashboard. Option call is theme. Click for edit HTML. So any file will upload by the header format. Click for save theme. Once save theme, you can show option call is any save option will be not by your Google Analytics. How to can verify your code is activated or not activated? How do we can verify? After copy this code your website, just option call is real time. Click for overview. You can see how much your right now traffic will be 0. Refresh. So in my website user is there. So right now which one? Which page? Home page. So I'm checking purpose. I'm clicking for health tips. I have checked my live traffic. It is a correct or wrong. So what's the URL? Health tips. So it is changed by your URL will be here. Just see this. So this is called check the live traffic. In a user can using for static website, each individual page we can add by Google Analytics. Each header file, each page in header format. In common dynamic is called all will be common file will be called header file. Upload by the common header file. That is called, I'm taking example for the blogger. So blogger same like is dynamic they're using for common header. So automatically when change your page for videos, so what is the URL? Videos.html. So scroll here, change. The user coming for which location, they give the particular location active users. That is called we check the option. Suppose you have question. So my dynamic website will be tracked properly or not. Select your site. I'll show the dynamic website where you can copy the analytics code. That will be any dynamic website will be common header will be there. Common header will be there. You can see how to verify your Google Analytics code. So where you can find out your Google Analytics code. That is called open your Google Analytics. Select your particular website. Okay. I'm selecting for Rakesh Solution Analytics. Where you can find out your code. That is called go to admin. The option call is which one? Tracking info, tracking code, copy, select your notepad, just copy this code. This is called Google Analytics ID. UI numeric -1. This is ID for default. Copy. Select your each and every page. Control U. For dynamic, you can check by manually. Done. Next. Training page. I'll check one by one page. Control U. Control nothing but page source. Receive. Next. Blog. Control U. Control F. It's clear. So that is called when code is active. So you can check the live traffic where real time. For click for overview. Where's my traffic will be blogs. So after blogs, I'm going to enter the one in particular specific. Just now open the URL. Change or not? The user where you can find out this one. So everything will be using this option. Is it clear? So this is called you can find out by your live traffic based on your Google Analytics option for dynamic and static. For add the code by static will be the code added by individual pages. The based on the page option. For dynamic, in common header will be there. Upload by file will be common header file. So any company, just you can pass this code to your developer. They are updating for cPanel. They are updating for cPanel. So based on the company, the code will be updated by the cPanel access. So your task is only for select your website, go to admin panel. In this, select your tracking info, tracking code. This code will be sending to our developers. After updating, is update our code. Just you can enter this ID and search for each website. Open your page source, Control F, Control V, and search your code. It is okay. Check your live tracking, real time. Click for overview. This is for Google Analytics verification on your web page for your live traffic purpose.